Okay, so let's move on to lesson 6. At the moment, our game allows you to have a nice little time tootling around, collecting coins. You can say hello to the slime, nothing happens to you, but that game would get a little bit boring after a while. So, we need to add an element of danger to our game. So we are going to go to the game events tab at the top left. We are going to add a new event, add a condition. And what we're going to say is if the player is in collision, I've gone past it again, there it goes, is in collision with slime. Okay, we're going to say if the player is in collision with the slime, it's going to do something. So we're going to add an action. Again, we'll select on the player, but this time what we're trying to find isn't in this list. So you need to go to the search bar at the top and type in delete. And we're going to find delete the object, and we will select player and select OK. But we also want to make sure this only happens when the player is on the floor, i.e. on a level. So we need to add another condition to this, and we're going to say if the player is on the floor, and click OK. So now if we preview the game, let's have a look. We tootle along, our little fella tootles along, he jumps over and he dies when he clicks on the slime. And our player is no more. But I hear you say, in Mario, you can jump on them. So, we will need to this time add a bit of an event that allows you to jump on the slime. Okay? So, if you notice this one, if the player is in collision with the slime on the floor, so this time we're going to change it slightly. So we're going to add an event, add a condition. Again, it's if the player is in collision with the slime. That's exactly the same. But this time we're going to add the condition if the player is falling, because that means you've jumped and you've dropped on them, like in Mario World, and then you kill the turtles or whatever you kill in Mario World. And then you click OK. And now we're going to add the action. We're going to have to find delete again. So delete the object, but this time we're going to select slime to delete. And we're going to click OK. So now let's play the game, see what happens. This could go horribly wrong, but let's hope it doesn't. I've deleted myself. Let's just try that again, because maybe I wasn't at the right angle. Okay, let's just check that. Okay, so let's go along. And now let's try again, and that worked. Okay, so it's not foolproof at the moment. It does require you to jump and fall directly on the slime. Okay?